Oh, she's a squirter. Wait, we're rolling already? Oh, we've been rolling? Well, guys, GTI is broken. And it's all because of this. High pressure fuel pump. I realized this issue. Let me sit it to the side. Almost fell, thanks. I realized this issue when it was cold in Florida and it decided to be 27 degrees outside. The car just didn't want to start. Wait, I gotta update you guys. I tuned this car last time before you guys saw it. Tuned by Cobb Access Sport. I don't know if you can, yeah, I can see that in there. We're tuned by Cobb. And well, thanks to the Cobb, one of the gauges I set was my long-term fuel trim and my fuel pressure. And I realized that my long-term fuel trim was at 1.40, 1.20, which is absolutely terrible. And I saw that my fuel pressure was at 570 on idle, and I was getting lean codes thanks to ChatGPT. Actually, shout out ChatGPT. Shout out ChatGPT. I was able to kind of diagnose the car and figure out that it was the high pressure fuel pump.
Are you sure about that?
Because at idle, it's sending in 200 psi less fuel, and the long-term fuel trim that causes a spike in long-term fuel trim, and that's basically just how much the computer's adjusting for the fuel. So it's adding more fuel. It's trying to add like 21% more fuel, 41% more fuel in, because it's not working correctly on idle. So yeah, we're gonna fix it. So while we wait for it to cool off, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the airbox. I grabbed 2 lefts, bro. 2 left gloves. You serious? Still good. You know that? He says, I wrecked the whip, but I'm still good. Is it like a push in, pull out? I don't know, but I know I broke some of it, so I never thought I'd struggle on a clip this high. Okay. There it is. I'm just gonna slowly release that. That's a whole bunch of fuel that's gonna drain. It's hot fuel too. Smell that? We're good. It wasn't that much fuel. I thought it was gonna be way more. I thought it was gonna explode, bro. I thought it was gonna go everywhere, bro. I got worried. Fuel line, hard line removed. Now with the 2 torques, we're gonna actually, I think it's best to remove the soft hose now. Dude, it smells like straight gas. No wonder why, Eddie. You just pulled out the high pressure fuel pump hard line hose. It should smell like gas. Oh, more fuel. Awesome. Okay, even more fuel. Great. Oh, great. Nope, it's not done. No, at all. Guys, what if I fix this? What if I replace this and this isn't it? Yeah, I never really explained why it was broken or how, how it was running. The car just ran pretty much terrible when it was cold outside. Until it warmed up, it would just start popping. It would just like on cold starts, it'd be terrible. I'd have to turn the AC on a little bit so it can ease it out, but it was just absolutely terrible. Oh! That's a lot of gas, boy. She's a squirter. Yep, didn't relieve any of the high pressure. I'm still hearing it, and it really concerns me.
Yeah, I still hear it. So come on somewhere else next.
Bro, I'm gonna pull this up. Shh. Guys, wish me luck, man. Wish the GTI some luck, man. Oh, yeah, guys, we ended up breaking the clip at one point. One part right here. Still not off, though. No idea. This clip is made of, like, vibranium or something. Wish I could bend this. Oh, it's a bendable hardline. Look at this. Not too much, but, like, I can move it out the way, so now I can take this out once I get the clip out. Awesome. Oh, so it's supposed to have a tab here, but there's no tab. Oh, well, that's the broken part. Hey guys, broken. Welcome. I just hope the clip isn't fried though. Like, I hope the clip isn't cooked. Hoping that. I really hope it's not. Cause that's a long day and that's stuff I don't know how to work on. That don't look right. Oh, it kind of does. This was the worst thing ever, and it's cause, and honestly, yo, appreciate you, Jacob. He looked at this, yeah. So he brought the one I bought, which is not this one, it's the OEM one, the one over there. And he saw where it clips on, like this. So I just stuck the flathead in there. I was like, I'm gonna press down somewhere, and it started coming down. W Jacob in the chat. W Jacob in the chat. All right, now we need a magnet for the cam follower, or we stick my finger in there and we get it out. So a lot of people are saying that this is what ends up going wrong, or this ends up failing over time. Thanks to Bosch, Comes with the kit. We're just gonna swap it out. They're not the same cam follower. That worries me a little bit. We're gonna put this one in to see if it's good. 5 issues later on, then we know it's this. Or if it doesn't fit right now, then we know it's this, but. Not that we know it's this, but. It's in there. Alright, so yeah, after confirming, it's the exact same. Shout out not ECS, or no, it was ECS tuning, but shout out Bosch, man. Actually, I'm doing all these shout outs, bro. Sponsor me, ECS, you know. I'm trying to get a set of your coilovers, you know, if you see this, you know, and you want to hook it up, I really appreciate it. I mean, you see, I do you good business. I bet you a lot more people bought the diverter valve spacer. Do I have fuel on my, oh my gosh, I have fuel on my sweats. It's awesome. You know what they say about cameramen too, they're like invisible. Oh yeah, got it out, guys. Thanks to cameraman Jacob here. Got it out. It was really just the grip. I couldn't get a good grip on it.
Imagine you took that off and it was on there.
Yo, imagine. No, I checked it before. No, every video is set to be careful because it's really easy to cross thread it, but seems on there. Now, I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna tighten this like the last one. Take anything from this video, gloves, useless. If you're not using the really thin gloves, working with your hands is so much easier. Those are grip gloves. Go get grip gloves, what are you talking about? Didn't help me remove the clip, did it? Nope. What's with me not being able to line up the hole? Come on, get in that. Bro, it's like, wants to go in there, because I'm pretty sure this. Chat, don't listen to anything a YouTuber says in the installation. Yeah, it's very straightforward. Yeah, you don't gotta worry about much. Lying, bro. Nah, this is a very straightforward job. I'm just not the most mechanically inclined person. This fitting is gonna absolutely like be the, but it doesn't feel like it fits. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh my gosh, never mind.
I was like, yo, I don't remember.
I'm not mechanically inclined, bro. It was on backwards, dude. Shout out Jacob, man. Guys, see, this is why if you're gonna work on stuff, have a buddy with you. I think I would have gone insane by now. Probably broken something. I don't know. I wouldn't have had a fun time by now.
I'm looking at it on the new one from the old one.
Yeah, I was.
Like, bro, did we put a whole nother
That's what,
fitting on there?
but the reason I thought it wasn't backwards, is when I took it out, the fitting looked like it was bigger in here. Like this was a bigger hole. It looked like, but it wasn't. Oh my gosh. I'm very glad though that was a problem.
You wanna try putting it in before you screw it?
Yeah, 1000%. I'm just like, oh my, look how that's Coke butter cheese, bro. Oh my gosh, look at that, bro. It's actually perfect. Oh wait, I don't know if I'm twisting it the right way though. That's the only issue. I gotta be careful with this because it's really easy to cross thread, so you gotta be nice and smooth like that. Like that. Jacob, what would I do without you, man? What would I do without him? Oh! That would have been a bad day, but we have another one right there, so that's fine. I would just have, you know, clinking sound in the engine for God knows how long. Yeah, I feel tension. I think the thing itself is actually, like, the thing that connects it is actually in there. I just think the housing's messed up. We're gonna leave it like that, and then if it doesn't work, then if the car doesn't turn on, then it's fine. And we'll come back to that. But I think it's fine. Decided to leave it like that. We figured it's in there, so try and start it. See what happens. Put the intake back on. We'll see if it even starts. So, yeah. I think that's it. Hopefully that clip is on there. I really hope it is. Or else that means I gotta go to the junkyard and fix that, and I don't want to do that. What? Still sitting low pressure. It's still sending low pressure. Yeah, it's still showing low pressure. It's still broke. It's still broke. Hey guys, let's make this a life lesson. Don't use ChatGPT for absolutely anything. Thanks to ChatGPT, actually shout out ChatGPT. It is terrible. It lied to me. I should have double checked in Google. So this whole time the fuel rail pressure was fine.
What if I fix this? What if I replace this and this isn't it?
Maybe I did fix something because I smelled my own. It smelled like gas a few days ago, and now I smelled it and it doesn't smell like gas. So maybe it was faulty, but that's not the problem. I also re-looked into the issue. Like I did more research and said that if the long-term fuel trim was higher, that it was more likely an air issue, not a fuel issue. So I'm gonna pull off the diverter valve. No, I'm not doing that in this video. I'll do that off camera. I'm gonna pull off the diverter valve so I could run a smoke test and figure out where the air is leaking from. Stay tuned.
Meow.